So I got the exhaust pretty much done. Had my brother bend it up yesterday, and I'm gonna get on tonight. Here's what we got. So I cut my pieces off, had them expand so I can put over my existing, and then I didn't cut these down because I wasn't sure how close he could get to bend them. And then when I get in the truck, I'll just figure out how much I want to cut off. So we're gonna go ahead and figure that out right now. All right, so get these on here. So we're just gonna set these on here, and then I'm gonna stick the muffler up. Yeah, is it cold in here today? Alright, so here's what I'm shooting for. Shooting to have these dump right off the back here. I have these. I think I'm gonna cut them maybe in here somewhere. I was hoping that my hangers would still work. Looks like I'm gonna have to move them, but I think that'll work out exactly what I want. So go ahead and get these clamped on. Go ahead and I'll get these picked up to about ride height with the rest of the exhaust, and then figure out exactly where I want to cut these. Because I don't want them too long, but I don't want them too short. So it's nice and tight, yes sir. Just gotta go ahead and throw on this other one. This one's kind of more a pain in the ass because it's bent. It's bent just right, and I forgot. So if I remembered, I would have tried to get a little bend out of it just so it would flow in. Oh, come on, man. it fell off. Damn it. All that extra work. Let's put the nuts on it this time. That way it can't fall off. And make sure that the exhaust is all the way on there. Well, the flange. Christ, man, everything's going wrong tonight. That's tight. Straighten it down. Need a bigger blade, I just don't have one. Alright, so got them cut an angle, not exactly the same, but close enough. Okay, got them hung. I just got to figure out how to brace them. So then, just got to brace them up like so. But I want to see what this thing sounds like, so we're gonna fire it up with it looking all funky. Just show you it's cold. I ain't run it yet. Gotta find something to hold this camera down with. Alright, let's see what this bitch. So all I gotta do tomorrow is, or this weekend, figure out a way to get those mounted so they're not just dangling. But that was what I was after. I don't want the glass pack sound. I just want that nice dull roar, just to know, you know, it's some type of performance engine. I don't need everybody and their neighbor, you know, knowing I started it. So I can't wait to hear what this thing sounds like when it's warmed up. But thanks for watching. That was a short video, but I'll catch you next time.